to my channel. Today is a challenge video. Today's challenge is try not to laugh. So I'm going to read 10 jokes. If I make it through all 10, I pass. But if I laugh once, I lose. So here's some jokes from the Laugh Factory. Let's start. I told my girlfriend she drew her eyebrows too high. She seemed surprised. How do you make a tissue dance? You put a little boogie in it. President Lincoln was approached by a woman after a political speech. If you were my husband, I would potion your tea. Lincoln replied, if you were my wife, I'll gladly drink it. My grandfather has a heart of a lion and a lifetime ban at the zoo. Have you heard the joke about yoga? Never mind, it's a bit of a stretch. Why should you never play poker at the zoo? Too many cheetahs. What do you call a nose with no body? A nobody knows. Why does Snoop Dogg use an umbrella? For drizzle. Never confide in a vacuum cleaner. They're always collecting dirt. A Roman walks into a cafe, holds up 2 fingers, and gets 5 coffees. Alright, that's it. I passed. So if you like today's video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. So thanks for watching. See you next time.